Data#3 has built its business by focusing on what our customers require of us, and we see our customers facing some significant challenges at the moment. Firstly, from an IT point of view, they're dealing with what's a changing landscape. They're dealing with an environment that we've termed hybrid IT, a combination of putting infrastructure applications either on-premise or outsourced or to the cloud. And there's complexities around that, complexity in choice and complexity in integration. The next 2 to 3 years, we see them transforming considerably from being the current technology-focused IT organisation to being a much more business IT-focused. I guess the first thing in terms of responding to this is to understand where we think it's going to play out and then to build a position on the basis of that. And we've sort of simplified that into 3 key things. Firstly, what we can see our customers doing and already started doing but continue to do over the foreseeable future is to build out their information technology systems into what we think we can all comfortably call a hybrid IT environment. It's going to be a combination of investments they make in applications and infrastructure on-premise, application workloads that they outsource to providers, or application workloads that they outsource to the cloud. So from on-premise through outsourced through to cloud is what the environment's going to be like. So firstly, customers are going to be operating increasingly in a hybrid IT environment. Within that, the 2 sort of groups, if you like, within our customers that we'd seek to deal with, firstly the traditional IT group. They in the past have been predominantly technology focused, and their solutions to their organisation's business problems have always come from a technology sort of point of view. And that's going to change. You know, there's so much pressure on them to be deliverers of systems and applications that actually create business advantage that they're going to very quickly, in the next 2 to 3 years, move to being very, very business focused. And we could even see the situation where those IT functions inside businesses might be led by non-IT people. So we're terming this the transformation of the IT services group in our customers' organisations into what we'd call a business IT organisation. And then the third group of stakeholders in our customers, of course, the users. And they've become these consumers operating inside their business used to this on-demand type environment facilitated by smartphones and by tablets and the ability to be able to pull applications down from the cloud to do what they want to do. And that's the sort of expectation they have of their IT group. Well, there's going to be a reconciliation of that, we think, in the next 2 to 3 years. And these consumers are going to start to become what we would call business consumers. So these transformations which are real and which are going to occur then, in order for us to remain relevant, we have to be part of this. And there's 2 ways we're going to be part of it. The first way is we're going to help our customers transform. We think the best thing that we can do is be aware of what they're doing and provide a range of services of consulting type that can help them transform, help them navigate this cloud that our IT people are dealing with, help them navigate the productivity challenges that the end users have got. And the second thing we want to do is make sure that we continue to provide the solutions we've got across what we call our technology consumption model. Each of our solutions is able to be consumed by our customers across a range of modes. Firstly, they can buy a product. Secondly, they can acquire some expertise. Or thirdly, they can come to us and get a solution, mostly for on-premise deployment. Or they can come to us and they can outsource the delivery of an outcome to them in a classic outsource. Or they can come to us and look at how they get infrastructure and applications out of the cloud, either from a trusted cloud point of view, a private cloud or a public cloud. Our solutions are also transforming. Our business is transforming on the back of this. We've reshaped our organisation around 3 major elements that we see customers identify with. Firstly, around software. Secondly, around infrastructure. And thirdly, around managed solutions, being able to manage the environment that they've got in place. And each of those areas of specialisation will be able to deal with customers from product to cloud. Whichever way a customer wants to consume the solution that we've got to offer, whether it be to buy a product or whether it be to take it as a service from the cloud, each of those businesses will be able to deal with our customers. That's a major transformation for us. We've announced the organisational structure to reinforce that. We've allocated all the responsibilities and now we're setting sail.